Dun, 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 dun. Okay.
I want to see my baby fly.
I did let up toys. Now, after light up bloomer. I did quite a business. I did shining light. Bell. What I've mostly done next we have Flora. I did a let up. Flora glows in the dark, so as Belle got deleted, and Flora did a let up. I mostly want to be done as I added lights to Flora, and do I mostly show you? Oh yes. Yes, I added a light to Neil. Light up engines. And I really want to show you. Light up 16. Yeah, that's nice. I got the wire string. I pretty much did. Wilbert is number 1. Where is Wilbert? What's next? Now we have Wilbert. So flying Slitter engine. Prince of Wales. And then next we have done to Fergus. So his best friend, I added a light, and Fergus gets the darkest bright lighting up. So I did our light up engines. Next, first we have Genty and Pug. Two nice light up engines. I have Genty and Pug and Dexter. Yeah, I was like, rub it dark. Do you see him lighting up? Yeah. I added a light to Gentile. Wait a second. Pug first. Fergus glows in the dark. Then it added a light to Neil. And to Blossom, she didn't have a lamp on the back. However, 16 was a light. Jeez Louise. So, let's go back. I'm so in with it right now. Edited a light up Stanley. Nicely done. I did add a light to Stanley. And then power ease the station. Next we have Lab Charlie. Proud of you two. First I did Charlie's lamp and Billy's lamp I did in the back. Where's Billy? Billy, where's the lamp up? I also done to Billy. And I also did Ralph. Ralph did his lamp, and Julian did his lamp. So did Jack Lily. And then the next 2 weeks, I had to light up then I'll go and guess so for doing it